When was the first highway code book published? Now, the reason I brought that up is because of the arm signals. And I just wanted to give you guys some statistics around this. Does anybody know when the first highway code was actually published? So this is me being a nerd. I showed everybody when we started my highway code book. The birth of the highway code. I'm going to take this first paragraph right out of here for you, but this is interesting, guys, and somebody do the stats for us. Okay, a code of good manners to be observed by all courteous and considerate persons is how the very first highway code, issued in April 1931, was described by the then Minister of Transport, Herbert Morrison. I wonder if they would still describe it like that. I don't know if anybody has manners nowadays. The Highway Code emerged from legislation that had been introduced to curb the appalling death toll in traffic accidents in Britain's roads. Guys, listen to this. In 1931, there were only 2.3 million vehicles on Britain's roads. 2.3 million vehicles. And 7,000 people were killed in road accidents. That is 20 lives lost every single day. Today, there are 30 million vehicles. 30 million vehicles on the roads right today. 30 million vehicles. So if you divide that, it's more than 10 times. It's like 12, 13 times more vehicles on the road today than there were in 1931. Now, that in 1931, with 2.3 million vehicles, they had 7,000 people die. How many do you think would be dying on the roads today with 30 million? So they've got 13 times more vehicles on the road today than they had it's actually a bit more, it's about 14, 15 times more. Then we've got 14 times more 1,400% more vehicles on the road today. And in 1931, 7,000 people died on the road. How many do you think are dying on the roads today? Who would like to take? This is one of those bean counters. Who's the nerd out there? Come on. Let me see if Emilia, I'm going to ask Emilia to talk as well. Emilia?
Google says in the year 2023, 1,624 people died in road collisions in Great Britain, down 5% from 2022.
Okay, all right. Yeah. Daniel, you were beaten to the answer there. Thank you for participating, Daniel. Okay, that was amazing. Guys, can you imagine? Thank you, Amelia. That's brilliant. Yeah, so the highway code actually says that you can imagine 7,000 people in 1931 died on the road, and now we've got less than 2,000 people dying on the road with 14 times more vehicles on the road. Amazing statistic. It's probably all the fines we get that's working. Anyway, it makes this little highway code, if anybody is nerdy, it's quite a good book to get. I'll show it to you guys again when I open up the floor. Okay, so let's move on. There we are. Good stuff. Right. Okay, so we've spoken about the 3 direction signals and not 2. And guys, I can't tell you how important it is to realize, please realize that no signal is also a signal.
Thank you for watching. If you're enjoying this video and want to see more, head over to www.bds.ac, our interactive video e-learning platform. With BDS Academy, you can learn to drive online from the comfort of your home at your own pace, saving you both time and money. So, what are you waiting for? Visit www.bds.ac today. We'll see you there.